Felicia Tomasco and her dog Lulu are starting off their morning with yoga and meditation as part of the LA Sparks Mental Health Awareness Day at the Staples Center. As someone who's been practicing for years, Felicia knows the significance of calming her mind.
It's a reminder that all these practices are an opportunity to breathe and to connect and to drop in.
It's not the typical place you'd expect to see yoga and meditation, but it's an opportunity to spark the conversation on mental health awareness and how important it is for all of us. Officials say about 1 out of 5 Americans live with mental health illnesses, which include depression and anxiety disorders. Recognizing symptoms is key in helping yourself and others.
We're all going through something, and we want to really have a conversation around that because it's okay, and we have to really remove the stigmas and then really spend some time doing something about it. And at Stop Breathe and Think, that's really what we do.
Participants also attended a panel discussion which covered a variety of topics from helping children to self-care. Among the panelists was former NBA player Larry Sanders.
Anxiety is something I've always kind of been able to balance my whole life, being able to recognize it when it comes, but the depression set in so deeply, I think that I start to isolate myself, especially from my family and my kids, and I have very young children, so, you know, I just knew it was going to be it's a very vital time for them in their development, so I had to get myself together, yeah.
Research shows that our military veterans are disproportionately affected by mental health illnesses and suicides. The Department of Military and Veterans Affairs is working to help veterans and their families with intervention and prevention services.
We partnered with our sister department, the Department of Mental Health, working with their Valor program to reach out to veterans.
Vets and other attendees learned health and wellness techniques to cope with conditions such as stress, anxiety, PTSD, and depression.
You know, there's a lot about peace and just letting go and mental stability, so I really did appreciate that. It definitely started off my Sunday really nicely.
Then the day wrapped up with some healthy competition as the LA Sparks faced off. At the Staples Center, I'm Rasha Goel.